Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think that the clarity is on the very high time frames on these yen pairs. I think it's extremely clear that this is all big 1, 2, and 3, and that we are very, very clearly still in this wave 3. And there's definitely no evidence this wave 3 is over, and it always could drift up more before you actually do get the wave 4 and the wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I was just explaining, and this is very, very clearly still in a wave 3. Nice 1, 2 in all subdivisions of the wave 3. No breaker structure, no lower high, no evidence that it's over. It actually looks like it's pushing beyond the 61%, which makes me think that it could easily go up to the 78.6 or above the 174 area. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, I think this is still in an uptrend. I mean, it definitely did make a pretty impulsive move down, but I still think it looks like an ABC correction, and I still think the trend is up on the very high time frames. I definitely still would be primarily on the long side. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, looks like it made a nice little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, 1, 2, 3 waves for B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. Not really a very good looking 4, 5, but definitely looks like it. Now, you have to be a little bit cautious because it still hasn't broken structure to the outside, so we don't know 100% for sure that this is the end of a wave C. Now, if it does make a lower high and if it does start to make an engulfing move down, then I definitely would even think about going short because that may invalidate the wave C and it may actually go down to a lower fib level. But I would have to see a pretty engulfing move down to be convinced of that because to me the trend is up on all the higher time frames and it seems more likely that it would just keep on making those higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if this does really start to turn down strong, especially if it goes down and starts to break structure, then to me that pretty much invalidates this as a wave C, and at that point I would definitely start looking for shorts again. But just because it's pushing down right now doesn't mean that it's going down in a big way. It could easily just be a correction, and it could easily just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. I definitely would primarily be looking for longs right now. I just want to be aware that if it does start to push down really hard and break structure, that we should switch it up and start looking for shorts in a downtrend again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.